How to homeschool in Nigeria for a low cost. Affordable homeschooling tips every parent must know. This is a practical guide for beginner parents. Tip 1. Start with what you already have. You don't need to buy everything new, just look around your home. Old school textbooks from older kids, relatives, or neighbors. Exercise books and pencils from last term. Newspapers for reading practice and current affairs. Even pots and spoons for counting, measuring, and science experiments. And of course, your phone for audio stories, YouTube, and downloads. Remember, ask friends and neighbors if they have old books or materials they no longer use. Tip 2. Use free and low-cost Nigerian textbooks. The Nigerian curriculum is solid and easy to access. Download the official syllabus from nerdc.org.ng. Buy used textbooks from thrift shops in CMS, Oyelegba or Oshodi in Lagos. Or ask fellow mums, WhatsApp groups or GG Marketplace. Stick to the core subjects: English, math, basic science, and social studies. Budget tip. You only need 2 to 3 main books to start. Tip 3. Use free online resources. Khan Academy is excellent for math, science, and grammar. To save data, download videos on YouTube using a budget-friendly data bundle at night. Then, play the content offline. Tip 4. Create a simple routine at home. Keep it flexible. Keep it stress-free. Here's a sample. 8 a.m. Bible, devotion or prayer. 8:30 a.m. Reading aloud or phonics. 9 a.m. Math practice. 10 a.m. Snack or play break. 10:30 a.m. Science or social studies. 11:30 a.m. Creative time. Art, chores, or music. 2 to 3 hours a day is more than enough, especially for young children. Tip 5. Use your local market as a learning lab. Math. Let kids count items, compare prices, measure food. Social studies. Talk about Nigerian foods, tribes, and cultures. Business skills. Let older children help with petty trading or record keeping. Real life equals real learning. Tip 6. Join a free homeschooling community. You don't have to do it alone. Join groups like Heart, Hand, and Head Community on WhatsApp. Attend free virtual classes or meets. Ask questions, exchange resources, and encourage one another. Tip 7. Your basic resources include used textbooks, a monthly data bundle, stationery like pencils and notebooks, and optional printed worksheets. Tip 8. Always remember the goal. Homeschooling is about bonding with your children, building life skills, teaching at their pace, and most importantly, raising God-fearing, confident learners. Final advice: start simple. Stay consistent. Don't try to be perfect. You are already giving your child a priceless gift. So tell me, would you ever homeschool in Nigeria? Comment yes or no. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, remember to like, share, and follow for more homeschooling tips. See you in the next video, courageous homeschoolers.